CRM Organizations lets you create groupings of CRM contacts based on their associated organization. View organization details such as an address, phone number, and website, and contacts that belong to that organization, all in one place. To create an organization, first navigate to the Organizations section in the CRM. Create a new organization by clicking the plus organization button. Enter in the organization's name. You can choose to fill out advanced fields as well, or save these for later. Once you have entered the organization's information, click Save. Then, select the organization from the main organizations page. This will take you to the Organization Details page where you can view the organization's contact information, tags, and contacts. To associate a contact to the organization, click Associate Contact on the top right corner of the page. Here you can search for the existing contact you would like to add or create a new contact. If you'd like to remove a contact from an organization, hover over the contact you'd like to remove and select Remove. Note that removing a contact from an organization will not delete the contact from the CRM. It will simply remove them from the organization. To delete an organization, click the selection icon on the right-hand side of the organization you wish to delete and click Delete. You can also delete the organization from the organization's overview page. Deleting an organization will not delete its associated contacts. It will simply delete the grouping of contacts.
For more information, or for any general questions you may have about the tool, feel free to check out our extensive online knowledge base at support.marketing360.com or send us an email at support@marketing360.com.